General properties of acids, you should have heard this in a previous chemistry class. They taste sour. They dissolve many metals, not all of them. They will turn blue litmus red, and they neutralize bases. And then here's a table from your textbook showing some common acids and what their uses are or where they're found. You don't need to memorize that table, but I think it's interesting, so you should read it. I'm not going to read it to you. What about bases? General properties, they have a bitter taste. They have a slippery feel. And they feel slippery because they're reacting with the oils on your skin and making soap-like substances. And so you get that slippery feel, and it's like, I better wash my hands, I got sodium hydroxide or something on there. If you leave it on there, it'll actually begin to dissolve your skin. So that's pretty nasty. Bases turn red litmus blue. So this is another one of those. You've got an acid and a base, and you've got these two colors. How do you remember which is which? Base, blue. Okay, if it's blue, it's a base. If it turns red, it's an acid. And bases neutralize acids. Alkaloids are organic bases. They are found in plants, and they are often poisonous. Hemlock is an alkaloid, very poisonous. Caffeine is also an alkaloid, and several of the other compounds in coffee are alkaloids, but those, thankfully, are not poisonous. But bases are not something that we commonly ingest. A lot of foods have acids in them, but very few have bases.